gonna go forever. Today we are playing Wheel of Fortune to see what car leaves the collection next. So Bobby and I recently bought a house, which means one of the cars has to go. Now here we have a Wheel of Fortune, and behind me we have 4 of our Evos. We currently have 6 Evos, 1 through a rod. The other one is the Evo 4, which I'm not giving that away. So here we have the Evo 9, my Evo 8. Hopefully we don't give that away. Bobby's Evo 10, and last but not least the OG Evo 10, the white Evo 10.
Oh, I thought you were talking about the blue one over there.
We can include that in the giveaway as well. Quick breakdown of each individual build. Evo 9, electric blue, 53,000 original miles, built motor, built trans, FP black, makes around 500.
Built clutch.
My Evo 8, fully restored. All you guys know the build. Stroker 2.3, built everything, makes 500-ish, soon to make 800 unless I give it away. Bobby's Evo 10, fully built, literally everything, makes 800 wheel. My personal Evo 10, I've had this car for almost 10 years, was built everything, and then I blew up the motor, so it currently has a stock motor. So if one of you guys wins this, you're getting a stock motor that made 840 wheel. Let's hope that doesn't go to one of you guys, because it's gonna blow up soon. But here it is. Which one of these cars is going to one of you guys?
Can I just do a practice spin?
Nope, one real spin, hit it. Bobby is picking which car's leaving.
I've never spun this before.
Hit it.
Ready?
It's gonna go forever. Evo 9. What? You're supposed to pick your own Evo, preferably. Can you redo it?
No.
Redo it now.
No.
I'm not giving away the 9. It's the lowest mileage one we have. It's got 53K original miles.
Nerp.
Apparently this is the one that's leaving. We're making Bobby respin. Hit it. Evo 9 again. You're kidding me. I'm sure glad she didn't land on piston. Piston's only on here once. All the other cars are on here 3 times. This is kind of sad. Bobby and I bought this car, was it like 3 years ago?
Probably like 4.
Almost 4 years ago. We immediately put like 3,000 miles on it because we drove home from Tennessee. And then she sat ever since. So being that this one is leaving, this is the one car out of all 3 of these that I've never worked on. I'm gonna have to pull the motor, I'm gonna have to pull the trans. This car needs a clutch, it needs a tune. But like I said, it is a Busher built 2 liter on a FP black. So this is gonna be a sick ripper.
I literally would really like to have this car for myself.
Perfect. Well, respin again and you can pick your black 10 and your black 10 can leave. And you can keep this. Deal? Yeah, well I should probably get to work. Because the giveaway, I guess technically it's live right now. Because it starts, today's Sunday, it starts tonight at midnight.
Yeah.
So the giveaway for this car is live right now, but I need to order some parts. Real bad.
Look at what a pretty girl she is.
She's also gonna get wheels and tires, nice coilovers, full cut and buff and ceramic coat. New clutch, ACT Mod Twin, of course, is the only good clutch in the world. Tune, it'll probably make 600 on E, and clean it. Bobby, you want to clean the inside? Mm-hmm. And then here in a couple days, I'll call one of you guys and you're gonna win it. That's perfect timing because this car is gonna be waiting on parts for a while. I think I'm gonna go ahead and fix it. But the only parts that we can order for the NSX project are from Japan. So the frame rail has to come from Japan, and then what they call a uniside, which is from the A pillar back to the B pillar. That whole side needs to be replaced, and we need to import that whole entire side of the car from Japan. So this thing's gonna be waiting on parts for a while. What do you think of my NSX? Did you by chance repair this car? Is this your doing?
I could not do that good of a job.
Bobby.
I couldn't do that good of a job.
Did you poop right there and expect your poop to stick it together? Are you ready for your Christmas gift I got you?
But it's not a Christmas gift.
So it's a late gift.
And you told me about it.
But you don't know what it is.
True. You said it was for my Evo.
I also did say you may not like it.
You did say that.
I know it's a little past Christmas, Bobby, but here's a gift.
Is it like a stuffed animal?
You gotta open her
It's
up.
really light.
It's either a stuffed animal or it's so light because it's carbon fiber. Oh.
Carbon fiber. I've never seen this thing open.
Oh.
Why is there so many of them?
Open her up.
I know what they're for.
What?
The inside of my car.
Okay.
Vent for the vents.
For the vent.
Carbon outside vents.
Alright. Kristen, you're so interested.
Honey, I can't get it open.
It's your gift. You're gonna have to figure it out.
You're kidding me. Kristen. Devin, this is gonna take all day.
Kristen, you want a toy?
My turn. No, it's my gift. It's my gift. Where are the Costco scissors at?
It must have been. Kristen, leave it. Hey, leave it.
You scared of it.
It's not for you.
Oh.
Oh, what is it?
For the wing?
You're so far off, bud. You don't even know what it is.
I have no idea. It looks like for the wing, like that.
And then what would bolt on there? Just a little dongle? Bolt on a dongle for your ring?
It's for the inside of the car?
Open up another one.
Okay. It's gonna take like 10 years to get to the next one. Mirror. Mirror! It's for the mirrors! I literally can just tell by feeling.
Wow. You must be a mirror expert.
Same mirror as you run on your Evos?
Oh. Better.
Sure.
Rare.
Or rare.
These are real rare.
How rare?
So rare I had to buy them used.
They're used?
You see that clear coat job? She's a West End of polish immediately.
Oh my goodness. These are rare.
Do you hate them?
No, I love them.
Actually?
Yeah.
Or are you staring at yourself? Voila, access. To remove the mirror. They might be ugly.
It might be ugly. Piston, you hear that, Bubba? Oh, he's a sleepy snort boy.
Now the unfortunate thing is, if you want to adjust the mirror now, you're gonna have to reach out and do it like an old school car.
Absolutely not.
You want to wire them up with motors in them?
Yes.
That'd be so
What?
funny.
You can't do it?
Well, I mean, I can, but I'm not gonna, because I don't know how. I'm gonna need a wrench for this one. First mirror is on, and this is what Bobby thinks.
I like the way it looks a lot.
Sit in the car and see if you can even look out of it. We might need to adjust for your spec.
Bye, Piss.
Piston, get out of it. Hey, we're not leaving. Come.
Okay. I think it's gonna just... I'm gonna have to get used to it. But I think I can roll with it.
But do you like it?
I do. I love it. It looks really good. It looks really mean.
So here's a good look at how it was before. And here it is after. For the amount of money these things cost, it's a little bit ridiculous, but hey, if the wife likes them, so be it. I have an idea. I have one more idea we can do to this car today. You've been asking for it for 3 years.
What? What does that mean?
Come on, you know what it is.
Tell me.
Your 2015 cluster. Should we do it?
You're lying.
No, it's in your back seat.
Get out of town.
It's in your back seat. Both mirrors are installed. I like them, Bobby likes them. They look great. All right, here's the cluster. I'm gonna polish the lens real quick, just because it's a little scuffed up. Or if you guys can see that. There we go. 10 seconds later, this thing is looking mint. Let's get her in. Here is how the factory 08 cluster looks. Pretty easy to remove. 2 screws down there, 1 screw in the back. That'll come off. And the new one, the 2015, it should be plug and play with nothing necessary other than an odometer adjustment, so it matches this. That's it, just one plug-in. Does this have just one plug-in? Same Z's. MM05313. No sticker on this one. Oh, you ready for the goodness? Doesn't plug in. Oh!
Whoa, that is new and improved.
We definitely need to get that odometer adjusted because your car definitely does not 128K. And here she looks. That didn't make any sense, but here's how she looks after.
That's crazy how much newer it looks.
Big fan.
It looks so good.
Pull her out, Jimmy. Hey, no dollar. All right, friends, that is going to be a wrap on the day. If you guys want your chance to win this thing, first link down below. Every $3 you spend is 1 entry to win the car. Don't judge it in its current condition. Over the course of the giveaway, this thing's going to be turning out mint. Not full restoration Evo 8 mint, but she's going to be nice. It's already nice. We just got a few little finishing touches to make it perfect.